Governance is the process that ensures effective and compliant workflow without giving up flexibility to achieve its goals. In the cloud, customers use governance as a guardrail to fine-tune automation and detailed access controls to align with their compliance and policy needs, making it easier to customize for each use case. And there's an array of AWS services to help. CloudTrail enables compliance, operational auditing, and risk auditing. Control Tower allows one to set up and govern a secure, compliant, multi-account environment. CloudWatch monitors resources and applications. AWS CloudFormation simplifies management of the entire lifecycle of applications and infrastructure at scale in any environment. AWS Config helps assess, audit, and evaluate the configurations of resources. Organizations centralizes billing, control access, compliance, and security. Trusted Advisor analyzes the environment and provides best practice recommendations. With strong governance, monitoring security policy and compliance, and the right tools, customers don't have to choose between innovation and control. They can have both. To learn more about governance, go to aws.amazon.com/security.